Arguments will be put to the CCJ in the Ashcroft matter. Hopefully, this will be the last matter of its kind from him and from anybody actually. But as you know, what we're having to go back to the court for is a decision on what was the cost to his companies for the acquisition of his companies. As you know as well, he submitted a bill for almost 200 million, some hundreds of millions of dollars, which we thought and which we know is absolutely ridiculous. We, upon thinking it was ridiculous, requested of them, well, if you're saying that your expenses are in the hundreds of millions of dollars, and you have audited reports and you supposedly you're audited locally and abroad, whatever, provide us with the documentation to support that expense, your receipts, your invoices, stuff like that to say, okay, we can, they refused to provide that. We had a certain figure in mind that we felt it could not have been more than a certain amount of money. That money was deposited in an account and the Ashcroft Alliance was told, you can access that money at any time that you want so that we cannot be accused of breaching a deadline and so we don't have to accrue any interest. That money was there at first, they refused it, and I think now afterwards I'm informed that they have expressed an interest in getting that money. But what we are about to go to court for now is exactly that. How much did it cost you in terms of legal fees, financing, whatever you have to, for the government of Belize to have acquired BTL? And I think we are miles apart on that. And the court will have to decide on whether the expenses that are being put forward by the Ashcroft Alliance are legitimate expenses or which of them are just ridiculous.